I'm Sita Ramamurti from Trinity Washington University in DC. I've been here, this is my fourth day here, and I have learned quite a few things, but the main thing that I have learned from my observations in the various sessions and my conversations with different participants is that the Teacher Institute is a very structured program with various roles of people in the Institute clearly defined. You have the teacher representatives and the coordinators on the school side, and then on the university side you have the seminar leaders leading the sessions. But what impresses me the most is the idea of collegiality that is emphasized at every opportunity, and the collegiality between the school teachers and the university faculty. And I did get to see the collegiality playing out when I did the two seminar observations yesterday and today. And that impresses me the most, and I think that's one of the things that I've learned by being here. Well, I think the most memorable thing for me is to see Roger Howe, who's in my own discipline, conduct that seminar, because I came here with a completely different notion of what a seminar should look like. And I'm going back now thinking, no, I have to change the way that I think about it. So that's been memorable. And besides that, the whole idea, I feel like I'm a student again. Because, I'm going back to my room every evening and then, taking up this homework, I would say, of reading, preparing myself for the next day's sessions, and then getting up and then walking to the dining hall for breakfast, and then going to another building for the sessions. So I feel that, this has given me an opportunity to be a student again, and so that's very memorable. And then, of course, definitely the conversations that I've had. Yesterday, I had this wonderful conversation with Carol, who is a coordinator for the New Haven Public Schools, and it was nice to hear from her firsthand as to what exactly does a coordinator do, because I know I've read all the responsibilities, but coming from her and the challenges that she faced. And so I take back with me these ideas and information that I've learned through my 2 or 3 specific conversations. I had another conversation with Alan, the Philadelphia director, and he was so, full of information for me that I can take back from the director's perspective. And I think I'm well informed because of that conversation with him. And then I had a conversation with Zach, the teacher from DC Public School, and it was interesting to hear him, talk about some of the challenges he faces being in the classroom as a teacher. And that, I don't think I would have just understood that if I didn't hear it coming from him. So it's been wonderful. It's very memorable. Unlike any, I have attended a few conferences prior to this, but this is going to be a memorable one.